Every modern BMW begins as precision-engineered steel, prepared for perfection. Every cut lays the foundation for BMW's signature engineering. Raw steel transforms into the precise forms that define every BMW. Every BMW component is inspected before the next stage begins. Advanced robotics create the rigid structure of every BMW. Precision is verified long before paint is applied.
A flawless finish starts with a perfectly clean surface.
The protective primer prepares every BMW for lasting durability. Controlled heat locks quality into every BMW body. Color meets craftsmanship in every flawless layer. The finish is permanently sealed for years of performance. The body is now ready to receive its mechanical heart. Power and precision come together in perfect alignment. Every engine is built for precision and performance. Every wheel is secured with absolute precision. Luxury takes shape, one carefully fitted component at a time. Every BMW must earn its place before leaving the factory.